Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Gosh, it's been a while. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of binary conversions. What is binary? It is the language of computers. And is seen as Boolean logic. It represents true or false. Binary can also be seen as 0 is off and 1 is on, similar to a light switch. It is known as a base to system. And manipulates information to or from CPU and storage. Now I'm going to show how to convert denary into binary. If the number in that column fits into 120, put a 1. If not, put a O.so. Does 128 go into 120? No, so put a 0. So for the next one, does 64 go into 120? Yes. So let's put a 1. Now we do 120 subtract 64, which equals 56. Then we say does 32 go into 56? Which is yes, so place a 1 again. We do the same again. 56 subtract 32 equals 24. Then does 16 go into 24? Yes. So put a 1. Now my favorite part. Converting into hexadecimal. So what I usually do is split the binary into half, then put 8, 4, 2, and 1 above the 4 binary digits on both sides. Now add up where the 1 second are. So for this example, the first side has 4. Add 2, add 1, which is 7. I should have shown this first, but this is the hexadecimal numbers up to 15, which is all you need for simple conversions, which only go 0 to 255. And the furthest hexadecimal you can get in these conversions is FF. Now, let's convert binary into denary, which is a normal number. It is actually quite simple. Just add up the numbers in the columns which contain a 1. So in this example, will be 128. Add 8. Add 4 equals 140. We will practice hexadecimal one more time. Put 8421 above 4 binary digits on both sides. Then add up the 1 second. So on the left side, there is just 8, so it would be 8. On the other, it will be 8. Add 4, which is 12. Oh, I believe I counted it wrong when I did the recording. It should be C.